Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share with anyone else you think would enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 38. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're just missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 7. 2 here, so 6, 7. And no help here, 2, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 8, 2. We can get rid of this 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. Got a 1 here, so 5, 6. 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1. And no help here, so 5, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6. 6 here, but if we look, our 8 can't be there or there, so this has to be our 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. Got 2 here, so 5, 6. And again, the 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 4, 5, 4 here, so 5, 8, 8 here, so 4, 5, so that means the only place the 8 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 4 makes this our 5, 6, 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 2. That 6 makes this our 5, 6, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.